something, man. Take your ass outside, you heard? You know what I'm saying? It's beautiful out here. Let me show y'all. See what it's like out here? It's a beautiful day out here. Look at the skies. The sky. Beautiful day out here. The sky is beautiful. Heard? The skies is beautiful. Get with it and get to the left. Man. No cap. We out. Told y'all it was nice outside. Thought I was joking, huh? It's really nice. One thing a day. Motivate yourself. Motivate the gang. Who the gang? You the gang, nigga. You the gang. Motivate yourself. Get your ass out here. You know what I mean? Go take your shower, wash your ass, wash your face, whatever the fuck. You know, get fresh, go outside. It's beautiful. Might be a little hot. Yeah, right? So make sure you take your kids to the park. Because that's definitely what I'm trying to do. She went to the park yesterday. And with my niece and her cousin, you know, they went and played. But today's a whole brand new day. Go barbecue, get some beers. You know, motivate yourself. Get up, go do something. Call your friends. Check up on your friends. They might be suffering in silence. Hit them up. See what's good with them. You know, get with it and get left. Now, not later. No cap week. You heard? Forever hug serenity. Left the V. And Paulo Wallaby. You heard? There's no games, no caps. We. Okay? Yeah, man. Ça qu'a fait, man. Tout le monde qui a regardé la vidéo, man. Nous avons clothing line qui va sortir la calée, man. Really forever hug serenity, man. Really rêve de vie. Really Paulo Wallaby. Okay? So, tout le monde, just préparez nous. It's coming soon. But anyway, beautiful day. Go enjoy the day, bro. Get out. Go do something. I'm about to go wash my ass right now. Get with it, get a left, no cap. You don't gotta like, you don't gotta subscribe, you don't gotta thumbs up to get. You don't gotta do none of that. You don't gotta hit the little bell thing on the side to get all notifications. You don't gotta do that. But it'll be great if you did. It'll be awesome. So you here for sure. It's nice off. I'll take your ass off. I'm not the weatherman, so don't. If it gets too hot, you start sweating OD and shit, and you ain't take a shower because you went outside without taking a shower, and you sweating balls. Don't hit me up. Your sweaty ass. But yeah, get with it and get left.